Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you bored of same old laptop or PC wallpapers? Then here is a simple way to look different from rest. First in the search for Microsoft Store and open it. Here you can see search bar. Type lively wallpapers. Download it. As you can see, I already downloaded. After downloading, just open the app. Here you can see lot of live wallpapers. I am selecting fluid as a wallpaper just by clicking three dots and select set as wallpaper. You can see now the wallpaper is active. So here is a live active wallpaper. Now I am opening live wallpapers again. Here I am selecting Matrix Rain. Now you can see Matrix Rain as wallpaper. Let's change with rain wallpaper. Just select this active live wallpaper and select cancel and press OK. So once you do that, so your live wallpaper will be closed and you will be back to the normal old wallpaper. So once you just want to open this again, you just click on open lively wallpaper. Here is the second trick. If you want to convert any images to the PDF file and if you want to share any images as a PDF file, then here is a simple trick. Just select the images whichever you want to do as a PDF and just right click on the images. You will see option show more options. Click on that and just click on print. So once you select print, you can see this selected printer as a Microsoft Print to PDF. So you just select Microsoft Print to PDF and click print. And it will ask the location where you want to save. Just save with the name, file name, whatever you want to give. Just select. I'm giving here as images and I'm just saving. So once you click on that, it will start converting images into PDF files. Here is the PDF file which you can see now, which is converted.